Let's get started by setting up your development environment. In this video, we will discuss the essential tools you will need for HTML development. These tools include text editors, browsers, and developer tools. Let's explore some popular text editors for HTML development. First up, we have Visual Studio Code. It is a free open-source editor with a rich extension ecosystem, a built-in terminal, Git integration, and a live server extension. Next, we have Sublime Text. This editor is fast and lightweight, offers powerful search capabilities, supports multiple selections, has a customizable user interface, and includes a package manager. Lastly, we have Atom. This is a free open-source editor that is highly customizable, has smart auto-completion, a file system browser, and is cross-platform. Now, let's focus on Visual Studio Code and its features for HTML development. Here are some essential extensions for Visual Studio Code. Live Server, which provides real-time preview. HTML CSS support, which provides autocomplete feature. HTML snippets for code templates. Prettier for code formatting and auto-rename tag for paired editing. Visual Studio Code also offers HTML emit shortcuts to speed up your coding. For example, !+ tab generates an HTML5 boilerplate. div container greater than header plus main plus footer generates a division with class container containing header, main, and footer. Similarly, greater than li multiplied by 3 within curly braces item $ generates an unordered list containing 3 list items with text item 1, item 2, and item 3. Let's explore the web browsers you can use for development. First, we have Chrome, which offers advanced dev tools, performance profiling, lighthouse audits, and extensive extensions. Its engine is Blink. Next, we have Firefox, which offers a flexible inspector, CSS grid tools, an accessibility panel, and privacy features. Its engine is Gecko. Then we have Safari, which offers Web Inspector, responsive design mode, and energy impact tool, and iOS testing. Its engine is WebKit. Lastly, we have Edge, which is Chrome compatible and offers a 3D view for DOM network inspection and IE compatibility. Its engine is Blink. Let's take a look at Chrome DevTools, with essential panels for HTML development. The inspection tools include the Elements panel, which allows you to inspect and modify DOM and CSS with the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Shift-C. The Styles pane, where you can edit CSS properties in real time. The Computed tab, where you can view final applied styles, and the Box model, which helps you visualize element dimensions. The debugging tools include the Network panel, which helps monitor network requests with the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Shift-J. The Console panel, where you can do JavaScript debugging and logging, also with the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Shift-J. Device mode for testing responsive designs with the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Shift-M, and Lighthouse to audit performance and accessibility. Let's learn how to inspect HTML elements using DevTools. First, right-click on any element and select Inspect, or press Ctrl-Shift-C, or Command-Option-C on Mac. Then, hover over HTML in the Elements panel to highlight elements on the page. Next, edit HTML directly by double-clicking on elements or attributes. After that, use the Styles panel to view and modify CSS properties. Finally, check the Computed tab to see the final applied styles. Here is an example of an HTML structure: a division with class container containing a header with class site header containing heading 1 My Website and Navigation, followed by a main section containing a section with ID content containing heading 2 Welcome and a paragraph Content Goes Here, followed by a footer containing a paragraph Copyright 2023. Let's explore how to modify CSS with DevTools. Here are some CSS editing tips. Click on any property or value in the Styles panel to edit it. Click empty space to add new properties. Use the color picker for color properties. Adjust values with arrow keys, holding Shift for larger increments. Here is a CSS example. The container class has the following properties: display flex, flex direction column, maximum width 1200 pixels, margin 0 auto, and padding 20 pixels. The header class has the following properties: background color with hex code 3498 dB, color white, padding 1 rem, and border radius 8 pixels. Let's learn how to test responsive designs. Here are some common device dimensions. Mobile has a width of 375 pixels and a height of 667 pixels. Mobile Large has a width of 414 pixels and a height of 896 pixels. Tablet has a width of 768 pixels and a height of 1024 pixels. Laptop has a width of 1366 pixels and a height of 768 pixels. Here are the steps to test responsive design. First, open DevTools and toggle device mode with the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Shift-M. Then, select a device preset from the drop-down menu. Next, test touch events with the touch simulation option. Finally, adjust network throttling to test performance. Let's explore Live Server and Auto Refresh. Live Server offers auto refresh, so you can instantly see changes without manual refreshing. It also acts as a local server, serving files over HTTP instead of the file:// protocol. It allows cross-device testing so you can test on multiple devices on the same network, and it enables faster development, streamlining the development workflow. Here's how to set up Live Server. Open VS Code and click on the extensions icon in the sidebar. Search for Live Server and install the extension by Ritvik. Open your HTML file and click Go Live in the status bar. Make changes to your HTML, CSS, or JS files and see them update instantly. Let's go through a development environment checklist. Here's everything you need to start building HTML projects. Make sure you have the following setup: code editor installed such as VS Code, Sublime Text, or Atom. Multiple browsers installed for cross-browser testing. Live Server or similar auto refresh extension. Organized project folder structure and a version control system such as Git configured. Here are some helpful resources. MDN WebDocs, which provides comprehensive documentation for HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Can I Use, which provides browser compatibility tables for modern web technologies. CSS Tricks, which provides tips, tricks, and techniques for front-end development in CodePen, which is an online editor for testing and sharing HTML, CSS, and JS code. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.